So today we are going to do something really exciting.
We're going to be going up into this giant dome and we're going to be swimming inside of a mineral spring. It's like a hot spring. It's like going to be 95 degrees. It's like 100 feet deep or something insane. And we're super excited.
Yeah. All right, so let's go in. We've never done something like this before.
No.
And I'm so excited. It's absolutely gorgeous here. We're standing right by this beautiful waterfall on a bridge. And we're about to go inside there.
The crater.
So this dome here, right behind me, this is where we're gonna go swimming inside the crater. All right, let's go inside.
There's a heartbeat humming low. Can you feel it through the ground? Reaching up, it's the whisper of adventure. Open door, waiting for you. Go light up the world. Follow it to every horizon. Tell them all your story. When you light up the world. Shine with all that fire in your eyes. Big hearts, we rise up higher than we thought we could. Alive in love and all this good stuff. Go light up the world. Follow it to every horizon. Tell them all your story. When you light up the world. Light up the world.
How are you liking swimming in the Midway Crater?
It is super cool in here. The water is really warm. It's very scary when you look down though. Just don't think about it too much.
Look up and like there's this giant dome with like rock everywhere, and you see light shining through
Yeah.
the middle and the top. Isn't it cool?
It is super cool.
Look at that.
Those are very interesting.
Cool.
And you can see the layers.
Look at the layer right here. The layers of the colors. It's like yellow and then white and then gray, and they're kind of just dripping down. It's really cool. The water is super warm, but it's not like too hot. It's just like a perfect temperature.
Yeah.
And it's so clear. And you can also kind of see the steam. It's so relaxing. I could stay in this forever. It's just like a relaxing. It's like a really nice bath and like a really cool rock. And it feels like you're just in nature. Like
I don't think we were expecting this to be in Utah.
not at all.
Light up the world. Light up the world. Follow it to every horizon. Tell them all your story. When you light up the world. Tell them your story. Light up the world. Follow it to every horizon. Tell them all your story. When you light up the world. Light up. Light up, light up. Light up the world. Light up, light up. Light up the world. Light up the world. Go light up the world.
Came to the middle.
Right above us.
Swim, just swimming underwater. Swim, just swimming underwater. Swim, just swimming underwater. Swim.
so relaxing. Isn't it just wonderful?
This is such a really, really unique experience.
Such a unique experience. And I love that you can just swim for a little bit, float for a little bit,
Yeah.
and then whenever you look up, you just
Gray.
see the beautiful opening to the sky.
Yeah.
There's a heartbeat humming low. Can you feel it through the ground? Reaching out, it's the whisper of adventure. Open door, waiting for you. Go light up the world. Follow it to every horizon. Tell them all your story. When you light up the world. Shine with all that fire.
We just finished swimming in the Midway Crater. I don't know if I said this already, but the crater is in the middle of this giant mineral dome. You can kind of see it a little bit behind us. The mineral water really, really makes a big difference, and it's like perfect temperature, like 95-ish degrees.
And afterwards, my skin feels so soft, like baby soft.
Go